Hello, welcome to the Eagle 6 Airsoft video. We're just doing some testing on a TM MP5 that's coming for repair. So this was sort of almost doing like a noise. It sort of went and then sort of that was it. It didn't fire. It tried to fire but didn't. Obviously we thought maybe it would be a, I don't know, need a jump start or something on I suppose you can't really attach 11 on this, so we tried obviously a fully charged battery. It still was doing the same noise. So we disassembled it. Obviously we were really worried that it was going to be something to do with the MOSFET system, but on inspection everything seemed fine. So we just double checked everything, like shimming wires and everything's all good. So we just put it back together again. Obviously we did notice a broken hop unit that was in there. I know the customer said that they'd taken the upper receiver off and put it back on again. So I'm worried that possibly, like I say, something had maybe not gone back into the right place, or and obviously the gun was trying to fire but sort of jammed, and then obviously the MOSFET was in turn erroring out. Obviously, but once we'd reassembled, everything was working fine. So just want to demonstrate it working fine. As far as we're aware, there's no sort of major damage caused, so it's and everything's all restored, which is obviously great, because I'm glad it's not the MOSFET. It worked out really well. So obviously we've returned it back to its to a working state, and obviously it's ready to go back to you. So I'm trying to demonstrate it working. And then the bolt stop works as normal. So so she's all working all good. I'm ready to go back, and we're glad we could get this sorted for you. Thank you.